Let us start.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. We are now going to do the formula for nth term of AP. Formula for nth term. Now, what does this nth term mean? Let me first explain you this. What is this? Let me explain you this. Suppose you have your roll number and your name written in the list. Okay? This is the best example I always give to children because they can relate to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. The list can go on. Suppose there are names written A, B, B, C, D, whatever the names are, right? Then you can understand this way that this roll number is your value of n. N is a natural number. That is the value of n, right? And your name will be AN. Now, what is this AN? AN means value of nth place. For example, जो अभी हमने previous AP लिया था 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, so on. But here 2 is first term, right? तो first term के लिए हमने symbol use किया A1. 5 is second term, A2. 8 is third term, A3, A4, so on. So here n is what? What is n here? Children, what is n here?
1.
N is 1. But what is the value of A1?
2.
A1 is whatever is the value at that place. For n is equal to 1, what is the value? What is the value, children?
2.
2. What is the value at first place? That is A1. Now, for example, if I take n is equal to 5, n equal to 5 means I am talking of the term which is at fifth place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I cannot say 14 is n. n तो 5 है ना बेटा. लेकिन fifth place पे value क्या है? What is the value at fifth place?
14.
14.
So are you clear? What is the difference between n and A5? Like if I say roll number 5, so n is 5. But what is the name at roll number 5? C. So that is your AN. That is your AN. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So 1. So n and AN में आपको difference clear है. N is the number of terms and AN is the value of that term. Clear? Now suppose I have an AP with me given by let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. Dashes shows that the AP is infinite. If I put a full stop here and I say just first 5 terms, then it will become a finite AP. Finite and infinite. Let this be an AP with common difference D. Common difference क्या बता दिया मैंने इसका? D. I have defined the variables. All right, children. Now just see from A1 to A2. When I'm coming from A1 to A2, what I am doing here? Am I adding D here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to add D. I have to add common difference to reach to the next term. I'm just writing little bigger so that
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see through. So to reach from A1 to A2, we have to add D. From A2 to A3, again what we need to add?
Common
फिर से D. A3 to A4 again D. A4 to A5 D. So suppose you are given A1 and the value of D. How can you find the third term? How did you find the third term? Directly from the first term in D. A1 में how many
Adding
times?
the value of D.
By adding it 2 times.
कितना D add कर सकते हो?
Twice.
Twice. So
Time.
this was the term. This was our AP. Let us see if it fits here. D is 3. So instead of finding the second term, मैंने 2 बार उसमें 3 add कर दिया to get to the third. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. है ना बेटा? So what we are getting to see from here is, if A1 is as it is, A2 can be written as A1 plus D. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A3 is written as A2 plus D. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
instead of this A2, instead of this A2, can I put A1 plus D from the step 1?
Yes, ma'am.
From this,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? And this D as it is. So A3 is equal to how many times D?
2D.
A1 plus 2D.
2D.
And this you can see directly from here also, that 2 times the jump will give you A3. Now likewise, can I write it as A1 plus 2 के place पे I want to write 3 minus 1D. देख सकते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Likewise, A4 is A3 plus D. A4 is A3 plus D. But in place
Yes,
of
ma'am.
A3, again, I can put A1 plus 2D. यहाँ से है ना? A3 is A1 plus 2D. And this D as it is. तो भाई क्या बन गया ये? A1 plus how many times D?
3D.
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 And can I write it as A1 plus 4 minus 1D?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now continuing like this. Continuing like this. Can you please tell me what will be the formula for 10th term? Directly. A1 plus how many D?
minus 1 is
1
to
plus
7.
10 minus 1D.
90.
10 minus 1, which is 9D.
90.
And continuing like this for any term n, for any nth term, this n could be your 50, 500, 5000, anything. For any nth term, what will be the formula continuing like this? A1
A1 plus n minus 1
N
D.
minus 1D.
clear? So this is the formula for finding nth term. So if I have to find, let's say 75th term, what is the formula? A75 will be equal to A1 plus
A1 plus
how many times?
75 minus 1D.
75 minus 1D.
Which is 74. Clear? So finding nth term. And as I told you yesterday that class 10 is gone for some secret mission. We are assigned some secret codes. Remember, roll number 1 is having code, let's say A3. Roll number 2 is having code
Yes.
A7. What is the common difference?
4.
4 plus 4.
So now you know D is 4 or first term the A. So if you have A1 and D, can you find the code for your roll number?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
find
ma'am.
the code?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose 31st roll number wants to find its code. So roll number 31 का code क्या होगा? A31 will be A1 plus 30D. Getting my point, children?
Yes,
Getting my
ma'am.
point? That
Yes,
is how
ma'am.
we make use of AP. Now this is the first thing. One more thing I want you to observe. A2 is A1 plus D. What does it mean? Does it mean that D is A2 minus A1?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anji? From here, D is also A3 minus A2. This is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
A4 minus A. This is also A4 minus A3. So if you observe, it is always the next term minus previous term. यही है formula बेटा. The
Yes,
next
ma'am.
term minus
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
term. So our list of AP में से, in the list of AP, you pick up any two consecutive terms. You pick up any two consecutive terms. The difference of the next term minus previous term will give you common difference. Clear? So from here, if we want to write in general terms, so this means D is nth term. Whatever is the term, like say 14th term, 15th term, whichever is the term, minus its previous term. So previous is written by n minus 1. Previous is written by n minus 1. Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, please